Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
A is for apple.
B is for bear. C is for crab. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for gorilla. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for king. L is for ladybug. M is for monkey. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for queen bee. R is for rabbit. S is for strawberry. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.